https://www.statisticshomeworkhelper.com. info@statisticshomeworkhelper.com. +1 678 648 4277. Frequency tables and measures of central tendencies. Below are solutions to questions on frequency tables, measures of central tendencies, and other concepts of data analysis using SPSS. Mean, median, and standard deviation are some of the calculated parameters. A histogram pie chart, dot plot, and frequency polygon are constructed to give a visual presentation of the data. Creating a detailed frequency table description. The data set represents the number of minutes a sample of 27 people exercise each week.
123,123,123,131,130,124,124,111,101. 101 135 119 1 6 117 127,128,119,118,114,127,142,131. Construct a frequency distribution for the data set. Include class limits, midpoints, boundaries, frequencies, and cumulative frequency. Describe each graph. statisticshomeworkhelper.com. Solution. Class limits, midpoint T frequency, cumulative frequency 100, 112, 10633 113 to 125 119, 11. 14 126 to 138 132 822 139 to 151 145 426 152 to 164 158 127. Generating a histogram for the table. 2. Display the data using a frequency histogram and a frequency polygon. statisticshomeworkhelper.com. 311-8410246-810-12-100-112-113 to 125 126 to 138 139 to 151 152 to 164 histogram. Frequency polygon 0246810112-112-113 to 125 126 to 138 139 to 151 152 to 164 frequency polygon. statisticshomeworkhelper.com. 3. Display the data using a stem and leaf plot. Counts team leaf 2 10 1 8 7 11 1 4 6 7 8 9 9 8 12 0 0 3 3 4 7 7 8 7 13 0 1 1 2 5 9 9 1 14 2 2 15 0 7 5. Make a pie chart graph. 1. 100 to 112 11%. 113 to 125 126 to 138 41% 29%. 139 to 151 15% 152 to 164 4% pie chart. 100 to 112 113 to 125 126 to 138 139 to 151 152 to 164. 1. statisticshomeworkhelper.com. Constructing a dot plot 0246810212 dot plot. 0012345 6. Finding the measures of central tendency. statisticshomeworkhelper.com. Class limits, midpoint frequency fx xm open parenthesis x minus m close parenthesis squared f xm caret 2 100 112 1063 318 minus 20.7037 428.6433 1285.93. 113 to 125 119 11 1309 minus 7.703 59.34705 652.8176 126 to 138 132 8 10 56 5.296 296 28.05075 224.406 139 to 151 145 4 580 334.7545 1339.018 152 to 164 158 158 31.2963 979.4582 979.4582 equals total 27 3,421 4,481.63 mean median equals therefore the median will be in the class limit 113 to 125 mode equals 11 which is the range for 113 to 125 standard deviation equals statisticshomeworkhelper.com. Finding the coefficient of variation and CI coefficient of variation equals 2. Confidence interval for mean. The confidence interval for the mean is 122.844 and 131.536. Testing the hypothesis 10. The coach claims that mean time the 27 people exercise is more than 125 minutes each week. Can you support the claim using a level of significance of 0.05? statisticshomeworkhelper.com. Level of significance equals 5% equals 0.05 test statistic critical value 1.645 conclusion. Since the test statistic is less than the critical, we fail to reject the null hypothesis because there is no enough evidence to support the claim that the mean time of 27 people exercise is more than 125 minutes each week. statisticshomeworkhelper.com